Top 5 OpenSea Alternatives. If you wish to know about OpenSea, you can check out OpenSea video in my channel. Rarible. Aside from OpenSea, Rarible might be the most recognizable digital marketplace in the industry. Rarible features: mobile application support, OpenSea integration, uses Rari token for governance, supports MetaMask, Wallet Link, and Formatic wallets, offers direct messaging app that lets creators and users communicate. Mintable. This Singapore-based NFT marketplace launched in 2018 and allows users to buy, sell, trade, and mint NFTs. Mintable features: lazy minting, simple and easy to use, live chat functionality through Discord, supports Ethereum and USD, customer store and advertising packages available. Super Rare. Super Rare is an Ethereum-based digital marketplace for rare and exotic items based in Delaware. Only the best and highest quality items are available on the platform. Super Rare features: access to exhibitions and special releases, single edition digital artwork, shared contracts with other artists, rare token used for governance. Known origin. Known origin is a lot like Super Rare in that it only offers curated, professional items to its users. Known origin features: buy NFTs with debit and credit cards, Formatic, MetaMask, and Wallet Connect support, dedicated portal for artists to print NFTs, curated collections and content. Foundation. This digital marketplace refers to itself as a creative playground for NFT creators. Foundation features: supports MetaMask and Taurus wallets, more serious collectors and investors, great for finding new artists. It's clear that OpenSea isn't the only digital marketplace in the NFT industry. There are plenty of alternatives available for anyone who wants to get involved in the market.